creating a new scheme or anything, but these camper funds which have been lying in various states have now been given a push. 6,000 crore rupees worth projects have already come, proposals have come from states. They're getting approved in the next 10 days. What it shall do for tribals and Adivasis, it will generate employment, because this 6,000 crores proposals which have come from the various states speak of employing people, particularly the tribal and the Adivasi people, for afforestation and plantation related works, for artificial regeneration, and also for assisted natural regeneration, and forest management, forest protection, forest wildlife related infrastructure development, wildlife protection and management, and so on. So this is something which the states have actively come forward with proposals which are only about 6,000 crores now, but we have understood from them many more such proposals are waited, and that shall immediately create a lot of jobs. Considering that monsoon is fast approaching, this is the time when all these Vriksharopan and other things happen, and therefore this scheme is given a special push so that the tribals and Adivasis will have some money in their hands by joining in these work. Somewhat to an extent, some states also want to extend it to semi-urban areas and utilize this fund. That is something which the central government and the environment ministry will take care of addressing it. So semi-urban and partly fringes of urban areas, if they want to use it, it's up to the states and the environment ministry. But largely, this is going to generate employment for the tribals and Adivasis, for forestry related work and forest infrastructure related work, 6,000 crore to start with.
रोजगार के और अवसर पैदा हों, और विशेष तौर पर आदिवासी इलाकों में, ट्राइबल एरियाज में हो, ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में हो, तो 6,000 करोड़ के कैंपा फंड्स का सदुपयोग और रोजगार के अवसर पैदा करने के लिए किया जाएगा, जिसमें वृक्षारोपण हो, वनीकरण हो। इस तरह से उस योजनाओं का लाभ आप अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में उठा सकते हैं, विशेष तौर पर ट्राइबल एरियाज में, आदिवासी क्षेत्रों में, और इसके अलावा चाहे शहरी अर्ध शहरी क्षेत्र हो, ग्रामीण क्षेत्र हो, यहाँ पर भी आप इन योजनाओं को ला सकते हैं।
The last two for today relate to farmers. We are providing a 30,000 crore, actually a 30,000 crore additional emergency working capital fund through the NABARD. And this is essentially a refinance support which the NABARD gives. You may ask me if it is something which is new. NABARD does this already. Yes, it does. 90,000 crore is annually the average they spend on this. We are now putting an additional 30,000 crore. This additional 30,000 crore will be immediately released so that the post-harvest Rabi work which is going on. Rabi, almost all the states have reported their harvests are over. Many states have successfully even close to completing the procurement of produce. This also happened in many states. But immediately post-harvest, if there are any requirements for post-harvest Rabi-related work, this money will go and help the farmers, the small and the marginal farmers. This is for particularly small and marginal farmers. And not only post-harvest Rabi, but also the preparatory work for Kharif. Even for that, this will be of help. The regional rural banks and the rural cooperative banks will be the ones which will use this credit. Many of the state cooperative banks, about 33 state cooperative banks, 351 district cooperative banks, and 43 regional rural banks have also come forward to avail of this on-tap based lending. So it will be directly reaching rural India, directly reaching small and marginal farmers, and this is 30,000 crore in addition to what they normally do, which is 90,000 crore. This will benefit 3 crore farmers.
जहां पहले केंद्र सरकार ने राज्यों को फसल की खरीद के लिए पैसे
This will benefit 3 crore farmers.
जहां पहले केंद्र सरकार ने राज्यों को फसल की खरीद के लिए पैसा दिया, जिसकी जानकारी हमने पहले दी, उसके अलावा अगर कहा जाए क्षेत्र में नहीं होने दिया, ऐसा प्रयास किए गए। लेकिन हमारे छोटे और सीमांत किसान जो हैं, उनको लाभ देने के लिए ऐसे 3 करोड़ छोटे और सीमांत किसानों के लिए 30,000 करोड़ रुपए की अतिरिक्त सुविधा नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार लेकर आई है। और ये 30,000 करोड़ 90,000 करोड़ जो नाबार्ड देता है उसके अतिरिक्त है। और ये सारा पैसा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, रीजनल रूरल बैंक, इनके माध्यम से राज्यों को दिया जाएगा और इसका वितरण वहां पर किया जाएगा ताकि छोटे और सीमांत किसानों को इसका लाभ मिल सके।
The last that I would want to tell you is absolutely